Dash approach is popularly rooted in Gestalt psychology. Option A, holistic approach. Option B, stimulus response behavioristic approach. Option C, dynamic and psychoanalytic approach. Option D, cognitive approach. The right answer is D, cognitive approach. Dash approach emphasizes the role of instinctual process and their modification in the course of interaction with the society. Option A, dynamic and psychoanalytic approach. Option B, cognitive approach. Option C, holistic approach. Option D, stimulus response behavioristic approach. The right answer is dynamic and psychoanalytic approach. The system which still survives very nearly in its rigid form is option A, cognitive approach. Option B, dynamic and psychoanalytic approach. Option C, holistic approach. Option D, existential approach. The right answer is option B, dynamic and psychoanalytic approach. Psychologists with the biological perspective try to relate behavior to functions of option A, body. Option B, mind. Option C, soul. Option D, unconscious. The right answer is option A, body. The perspective which is concerned with characteristic changes that occur in people as they mature is known as option A, developmental perspective. Option B, biological perspective. Option C, humanistic perspective. Option D, psychoanalytical perspective. The right answer is option A, developmental perspective. For the first time, the word psychology is introduced by option A, Rudolf Goeckel. Option B, William James. Option C, Sigmund Freud. Option D, C.J. Jung. The right answer is option A, Rudolf Goeckel. Rudolf Goeckel used the word psychology for the first time in the year option A, 1590 AD. Option B, 1095 AD. Option C, 1950 AD. Option D, 1509 AD. The right answer is option A, 1590 AD. Which branch of psychology deals with the study of animal behavior? Option A, social psychology. Option B, comparative psychology. Option C, abnormal psychology. Option D, differential psychology. The right answer is option B, comparative psychology. Woodward's approach to define psychology is option A, dynamic. Option B, constant. Option C, fluctuating. Option D, simple. The right answer is A, dynamic. Who is the founder of Gestalt psychology? Option A, Kurt Kafka. Option B, Max Widmeyer. Option C, Kurt Lewin. Option D, Wolfgang Kohler. The right answer is option B, Max Wertheimer. Dash field of psychology focuses on the potential role of evolution in behavior. Option A, developmental psychology. Option B, physiological psychology. Option C, evolutionary psychology. Option D, cognitive psychology. The right answer is option C, evolutionary psychology. Which perspective of psychology emphasizes the overt behavior of the individual? Option A, developmental perspective. Option B, behavioristic perspective. Option C, humanistic perspective. Option D, psychoanalytic perspective. The right answer is option B, behavioristic perspective. Thought process is the main component of Dash perspective. Option A, Gestalt perspective. Option B, biological perspective. Option C, humanistic perspective. Option D, cognitive perspective. The right answer is option D, cognitive perspective. Dash perspective focuses on changes in behavior and cognitive process over the lifespan. Option A, developmental perspective. B, biological perspective. C, humanistic perspective. D, psychoanalytic perspective. The right answer is option A, developmental perspective. Behavior can be influenced by social and cultural factors. The Dash perspective of psychology emphasizes it. Option A, developmental perspective. Option B, biological perspective. Option C, humanistic perspective. Option D, socio-cultural perspective. The right answer is option D, sociocultural perspective. The frameworks for explaining various events or processes in science is known as option A, facts, option B, theories, option C, models, option D, hypotheses. The right answer is option B, theories. Emphasizing what comes to mind first or most readily quickly is known as option A, heuristic, option B, critical thinking, option C, initiative thought, option D, confirmation bias. The right answer is option A, heuristic. A systematic study of facts according to a reliable and correct method of study is called a option A, scientific study, B, biological study, C, social technique, D, methodology. The right answer is option A, scientific study. The concept of building block of consciousness was laid by option A, Watson, option B, Wundt, option C, Freud, option D, Jung. The right answer is option B, Wundt. Who is the first woman awarded PhD in psychology? Option A, Anna Freud, option B, Margaret Floyd Washburn, option C, Melanie Klein, option D, Karen Horney. The right answer is option B, Margaret Floyd Washburn. In the year 1913, C.J. Jung established his school after separated from Sigmund Freud, which is known as option A, psychoanalysis school, B, individual psychology, C, psychoanalytical school, D, child psychology. The right answer is option C, psychoanalytical school. The dash law of psychology deals with least noticeable difference in different stimuli. Option A, Gestalt law, option B, Watson law, option C, Binet-Simon law, option D, Weber-Fechner law. The right answer is D, Weber-Fechner law. Gestalt psychology, taking its name from the German word Gestalt, which literally means option A, world, option B, whole, option C, apart, option D, whole versus part. The right answer is option B, whole. Who promoted the formulation of elementism? A, Sigmund Freud, B, Aristotle, C, Plato, D, Paul Broca. The right answer is option B, Aristotle. The concept of rationalism is developed by option A, Sigmund Freud, option B, Aristotle, option C, Plato, option D, Paul Broca. The right answer is option C, Plato. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notification of upcoming videos. Like this video, share it with your friends and others. Thanks.